Setting up a Semrush dashboard is a straightforward process that can help you streamline your digital marketing efforts and gain valuable insights into your website's performance. To get started, you will need to create a Semrush account and log into the platform. First, navigate to the top navigation menu and click on the Projects tab. Then click on the New Project button to create a new project. Enter a name for your project and select the type of project you want to create, such as an audit or a competitor analysis. Next, add your website to the project by entering the domain name and selecting the target location and device. You can also connect your Google Analytics and Google Search Console accounts to get more accurate data. Once you have added your website, you can start setting up your dashboard. The dashboard is customizable, so you can add or remove widgets as needed. To add a widget, click on the Add Widget button and select the type of data you want to display, such as organic search traffic or backlinks. You can also set up alerts and notifications to stay on top of changes to your website's performance. To do this, click on the settings icon and select Alerts. Then choose the type of alert you want to set up and enter the threshold values. Best practices for setting up a Semrush dashboard include setting clear goals and objectives, tracking key performance indicators, and regularly reviewing and updating your dashboard to ensure it remains relevant and effective. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a Semrush dashboard that provides valuable insights into your website's performance and helps you make data-driven decisions to improve your digital marketing efforts. Regularly monitoring your dashboard will help you identify areas for improvement and optimize your strategy for better results.